was actually thrilled to see big data in BJP's manifesto. Today, if you look around the world, big data is considered to be an economic asset, both for companies that are using big data and also for certain countries like, let's say, a UK or a US that is using big data today. I mean, way back, I think in the year 2010, when I was in the US, I saw 6 federal departments where they deployed something like $200 million for just big data research back then. So both countries are really investing quite a bit. So obviously there must be some economic value to that. And I'm very happy to see that BJP's manifesto have the Big Data Analytics Institute, which is perhaps a game changer in India in terms of, let's say, how we manage our traffic, how we manage our crime scenario, or how we manage our electric supply. Quickly, I can talk about these 3 areas. Take a look at transportation, for instance. Transportation today in India, we are talking about multimodal transportation. We are not sticking to one mode of transportation. Multimodal. We are talking about integrating the multimodal transportation. We are also talking about making it intelligent. And when we say intelligent, integrated, multimodal transportation, we are essentially talking about having a lot of cameras, geolocation devices, GPS devices. We are talking about having sensors everywhere. Now, these gadgets throw up a lot of information, and a lot of data gets collected by the governments, and this has to be crunched, analyzed, so that we will remove gridlocks in the traffic. We can also prevent some accidents. So big data analytics is really critical for traffic and transportation management. The second area that I see, which is very important again for India, is moving away from traditional electricity supply to smart supply. For instance, the smart grids around the world use a lot of big data analytics. If you really check with any of the big players like a GE or an Alstom or a Schneider, all of them are using big data analytics. So it's very important that India looks at it also positively. And another, perhaps the biggest and the most brilliant area for big data is in the area of crime prevention. Today, BJP manifesto talks about investing in big data, especially for intelligence departments. So here we're talking about predictive policing, understanding the footprint of the criminal that can just spread across the entire digital infrastructure. So we should be able to predict crime, we should be able to prevent crime, we should be able to nab the criminal. For all that, big data analytics is very, very useful. So I'm very happy to see BJP's manifesto speaking about big data analytics.